Let's talk about cryptocurrencies because the FCA, that's the Financial Conduct Authority, has banned the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, from doing business here in the UK. However, since the exchange is based outside of the UK and is available on the internet, the ban, well, maybe will have really little effect. But should buyers beware? Let's find out. Katharine Wooller is a crypto expert at the digital investment website Dacxi and joins us. Katharine, a real pleasure having you with us. Let's start with that. What does this mean for Binance? Does it have an effect? Because when you look at this, the information here, the FCA doesn't have any control outside, right? Any powers outside of the UK. So trading surely will just continue as it did before.
Yeah, sure. So the challenge for the FCA is that they actually control quite a limited scope. So they actually control the anti-money laundering aspect. So, I mean, Binance obviously is one of the world's largest exchanges. It's done $16 billion worth of trading in the last 24 hours. But it's live in 180 countries. So I'm not sure losing what is a relatively small part of its market is going to be a huge, huge worry to them. But actually what they've been stopped from doing is the regulated element. But they do need to put a big warning on their website saying, we're unable to conduct regulated business, which of course will be a big concern to retail investors in the UK.
Yeah, indeed. And talking about that, I mean, these UK investors, they can still, of course, as you mentioned, as we know, can access Binance via the web. So they can do that. But should they be aware of doing that?
Yeah, sure. So I think the FCA, of course, the UK regulator, is taking increasing interest in crypto firms, and rightly so. It comes on the back of them banning, quite rightly, the sale of crypto derivatives to retail investors. But of course, there is a much longer list of various exchanges that are able and allowed to operate in the UK. They're easily findable on the FCA website. So retail investors would probably be better off searching out that list and finding exchanges that are permitted to operate.
And Katharine, what's your take? I mean, considering the global aspect of cryptocurrency trading, do you think it'll ever be possible at all really to, I guess, regulate it fully?
Yeah, sure. So, I mean, crypto is a relatively new industry, certainly in comparison to the broader financial infrastructure. But it's not to be underestimated. It's a $1.3 trillion industry. So the argument for crypto is it's decentralized, it's outside the scope of interference from governments, which has, of course, been very attractive with increasing amounts of money being printed and, of course, subsequent threats of inflation. But realistically, at some point, if you do own cryptocurrency, you have to either onboard, so convert your dollars or euros or sterling, whatever, into crypto. And, of course, you have to offboard. At some point, you want to realize some of those fantastic profits that both traders and holders have made. So I think it's an interesting one. Lots of people in the industry are phenomenally anti-authoritarian, but equally for the industry to thrive, it really needs to mature and be part of and interface with those traditional financial structures.
Okay, Katharine Wooller from Dacxi, how we appreciate your time. Thanks very much for your thoughts. Stay safe and well. We'll check in with you soon.
Thank you.
Katharine Wooller there.